Hey again everyone, this is Fuad and today I'm going to introduce a new set of tree branch for my bird. I lay this huge branch behind the grills of my window. To properly hold it in place, I've used plastic zip ties, but you can also use similar materials such as rope or even string. With that done, the new perch is set. This is the first time the bird's being introduced to the perch, and it seems a bit confused. This new perch brings a natural sense of habitat from the wild, so the bird would probably consider as if sitting on a tree. At first, the bird might feel uncomfortable, so feel free to offer food to it. That way, the bird will find that it's okay to spend time in this new environment. You can use your bird's favorite tree to lure it to come over to the new area.